Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing this channel. Kindly stay with me as I take you through the processes to make some real cash online. No website, nothing, just your phone, your PC, your Gmail account, and then you are good to go. So the site is Opera News Hub. So just take your phone or your PC, log on to Google, and then type Opera News Hub. Opera News Hub as it is displayed here. So on the first link, kindly click on the first phrase you see at the top there. So you click on it, it gives you this page. You click on the first, so this all link you to the same page, but you click on the hub.opera.com. that will take you to the page. So after this is my page. This is how my page actually looks like. I have published 9 articles, 0 likes, 54 followers. So quickly let's move to the monetization. So this is my content library. So over here you could see published. So you could see thumbnails, title, publish, date, impressions, then and clicks. So let me take you through before we go to the next process. So this is how the interface looks like. You just need to create an account, then you start. So let me take you through the please note Opera News is very strict, so just listen to the guidelines. So I take you through so you don't violate for your account to be deleted. So this is the titles, published, you see rejected, pending, and then the drifts. So the date, impressions, and then the last one is clicks. So quickly let's move from there. Clicks. So this is the clicks. So quickly let's move from there and move to the main business. So away from this page, we go to rejected. So mostly the reason why articles are rejected is because maybe you could see your article was rejected due to excessive non-English in the text. So another one is your article was rejected because the heading article repeated violation can. So please note that you could see the article was rejected due to duplicate of sentences. So kindly note you have to plan your content before, and please note don't copy and paste because they will reject your article. If you copy and paste, Opera Mini will reject your article. So this is the monetization. Your account actually is reviewed within 24 hours. So when you create your account, they have to review your account information before they approve you. So let's take this. So revenue updates from 48 hours ago every day at 4 p.m. So only article with published status will be defined as monetized and can be paid. The ends of remove and republished articles will show in the end of the month. All data presented are estimated revenue and will be finalized revenue will match. So away from that, let's move to another business. So please make sure you take note of these updates. Make sure you take note of these updates. So let's move quickly to the account. So this is how the interface looks like. Account information. So you have to get a photo or a logo of your, so the name, the category, description, and then the referral. So this is your email address, this is mine, this is my phone number, and then this is my bank account number. So note, payment is done from every first of the month to third of the month. So this is my payment method. So you could see your bank name, branch code, account name, account number. So this is really easy than YouTube or even blogging. So you just need to be creative. You see the content, don't copy and paste any content, write your own content, and then you are good to go. So this is how it looks like. So let's quickly run through this. This is where you write your article. So over here you could see first heading, or you could see first heading, second heading, we have bold. Then here is where you upload a picture. You can upload as many as 10 pictures into your article. So you have first heading, second heading, we have the bold, we have the photo, insert image. So we are inserting 3 images. So please take note of all what I'm saying. Don't violate, because your account may be deleted. This is an easy way to make real cash online every month. So this is the second photo, this is the third photo. So you can upload as many as you want. Then you click on done, and then your photo be uploaded into where you are writing your article. So we have the do and then the undo at the top over there. So we have thumbnails. So you have to get a thumbnail for your channel. So quickly note, your article should be 150 words. So quickly let me take you through some process over here. Let me take you through some process over here. So you should make sure you don't have any spelling errors. So quickly, so this is a word, this is a word, and then there is a word, boy is another word, is another word, not is another word, handsome is another word, and then the T in the there rather is a character. So the H is a character, the E is a character, B is a character. So you can have as many as 1,000 characters, but your sentence or your words may be like 100. So please, you need to get 150 words before you can publish an article. So note that. So you could see over here, make sure you have everything, English is correct, everything is correct before you publish your article, because it may be rejected. It may be rejected. So this is my article, you see. So this is my impression. could see my impression. You could see that I've done a real good work. So this is one of my latest articles. So you could see I've done a great work. So it's really simple, no need to get a website for yourself. When you post an article, Opera Mini actually does everything, promotion, everything for you. So all you need to do is just to be creative, create your own content, edit, write, and then post. You can get the mobile version on Android on the Play Store. Thank you for watching. Kindly hit on the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, and share for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you another time in another video. If you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section so I can reply.